Health insurance in Fort Valley, Georgia. Medical insurance is a must these days. Sadly, it is also ever more high-priced. The current economy has affected everything, and there is total proof that more people these days are either uninsured or severely underinsured than we have seen since the days of the Great Depression. Some individuals cannot even pay for a medical insurance plan for themselves, let alone comprehensive family medical insurance plan. The cost of medical care is on the rise, and the price of medical insurance is growing right along with it. That may sound like a death knell for your odds of keeping yourself and your family healthy, but it does not have to be that way. You can find comprehensive and reasonably priced medical insurance. You just have to know where to look. Getting a good medical insurance plan does not have to be an impossible task, even though it seems like the exact opposite is true. The first thing you need to do is investigate. The key to locating inexpensive medical insurance is comparing rate quotes and services. There are enough of sites on the internet which will help you do this. You can find and compare any type of medical insurance plan that you want. That includes a plan for family health insurance and one for yourself. You can find out the monthly, biannual, or annual costs for any individual plan, as well as pretty much anything else you might want to know. Now, you have to know that not all inexpensive health insurance plans will be good ones. However, by the same token, not all expensive plans are good either. That is why comparison shopping is so significant. In addition to looking on the internet, you can also call around and talk to individual insurance agents. Many of them will actually contrast rates for you as well, and quite a few of them are willing to do it right over the phone. Once you have a list of potential insurance providers, it is time to seriously get down to business. While comparison shopping is no doubt very beneficial, it is only the first step, and it can only tell you so much. It is always better to trust yourself in what you know. Only you know your requirements after all. So once you have compiled a list of probable insurance companies, start calling them and are taking a look at their individual websites. This will tell you even more about the legitimacy of the quotes you received, as well as about what to expect in the way of your insurance plan. Plus, you can discern how much dental insurance, eye insurance, and so on will cost in the long run, in addition to your typical medical insurance. It is potential to get by without medical insurance, but it is not wise to try. You never know when an emergency will strike. You never know when you or your family will fall ill with something that requires serious testing or major medical procedures. Do not take the risk. There is inexpensive medical insurance out there, and if you are willing to do some investigate and work, then you can find it.